Yes, hoping for a happy new year. 4th of January. On the road with a load, on the road with a load, heading down to Pickering. Bring some gear back with us as well. Not a great deal, but a bit of a mess, the lads are saying, so a little bit of sorting once I get there. I'm in the wagon, and I'm on the wagon. Dry January again. Last year it was easy to do that because we were away to Thailand for a month. We left there, I think about the 20th of January. We'll come back at the end of February or something like that. It's quite a good long break away from all of this, and oh my God, how I wish we had something booked in. All doom and gloom, innit? Suck it up, they say, suck it up. The thing with me is, I need something, I need a date in my head to focus on, you know. It's always been January, every year we've been away somewhere in January, escaping the winter sun, like getting some winter sun, should I say. Escaping the winter blues after Christmas, but that's not going to happen for me or anyone else in the country. So I'm not alone, that's one thing. Not a good thing. I think I've just done that 2 weeks off for Christmas and New Year, and it was again like everyone else very different than what we normally have. Still a wonderful, beautiful day we had, loved it. Spoiled ridiculously rotten, I can tell you. I'm now no longer in need of a decent laptop, put it that way. Finally, editing is smooth as anything. I've just messed about with the drone during the break, and what would normally take me nearly all day to just upload the stuff onto the computer and start rendering it, it's now a matter of minutes. I'm not joking. So better quality footage as well to be able to upload. A lot of trucking, a lot of vlogging, and whatever else. Some of my van. I'm considering selling my van to get another one on the drive, another project. It's going to break my heart doing it, but I need something other than this job, you know. So I talked last night to the wife about it. She's like, why don't you just sell it? You get it, like, I'm really attached to it. It's ticking all the boxes that we need. Brilliant van, brilliant engine. That's the worry, because it's like my mode of transport as well. It's so reliable. So I'm seriously thinking about it. Right offer comes in, then I would consider it. I've got to be able to get a decent van on the drive, so I can start on that one straight away, you know. So watch this space for that. We'll see. It was late getting away today because we weren't sure what was happening, you know, first day back and everything. Bit of a meeting this morning about what's coming up and whatnot. I knew this was going to be either today or tomorrow, but didn't really find out till 10 o'clock that I was going. Had to load it up, strapped up, and away down the road now. So it's going to be 20 to 3 by the time I get there. Quarter to 3, quarter to the sat nav. Unloaded, get the other stuff on and back up the hill. Oh my God. First day blues, man. So we have a normal 3:30 finish, start at 7, you see. I was going to move over for a car there, but there's another one creeping up slowly up the side here. I'd like to try and help out if I can. Sorry, mate. That service is 70 mile is oh my god, I'm the worst person in the world for remembering the name of it. Weatherby services. I'm not stopping though, like I literally had a cup of soup to go there, like crap. So everyone's had a really nice time, good Christmas, good New Year, best you can make of it anyway. And I'll catch you a bit further down the road. Pickering. So expecting a load of snow down here, like. Yeah. Thankfully. I think these are tier 3 Pickering, North Yorkshire. Surely are. Basically what we were before Christmas in Newcastle. And even though the levels were coming right down through St. Man, like tier 4. Right, Pickering done. Heading back now, saying I'm going to be back about 6:45 tonight at the yard anyway. I can finish for about 7 o'clock in the house for 1:30. So first one back, big one. Ugh. Sad seeing all the farm fields and that flooded coming up. I mean, not so bad around here, I'm sure there were, but a little bit further down the road past Weatherby and that, oh my god, just like lakes really are. It's such a shame. Big one there on my right. Well, that is bad as well. Christ. So much rain up here, so much rain. I don't get woken up by rain normally, but it was the other night, a couple of nights ago, late at night, I was coming through the window and it just not stopped raining for like 12 hours. Made enough money for the day, him in front, heading home or setting up. Need to pull in a minute just to check nothing's loosened off since I've strapped it all up. Got aluminium staircase on the back. Aluminium light. Lights. Time, nearly home. Back in the yard for 7 o'clock. Absolutely dying for the loo. Just again non-stop, straight back. Don't know why I do it to myself. I'm busting. There's a route. Time to call it, I think. Get this one edited super fast. Now I can anyway. Thank you, Karen. See you down the road.